Everyone, welcome to a unboxing. Yes, we got today, literally just arrived a few minutes ago, been waiting for it. A new one from Diesel, and this is Diesel D. I don't know if they're going down the route of, who is it? Is it Yves Saint Laurent with Y, and you got Dolce & Gabbana K, and so don't know what's going on with these names, all just going with a letter of the alphabet. So, being from Diesel, I'm expecting probably youthful, synthetic but of good quality. And I have read, well, let's start unboxing this. I have read a quick thing on it where it's supposed to be sort of going along the lines of sustainable items. So the box, the bottle have all been sort of recycled. So recycled box, recycled glass used, and ingredients used for the fragrance are more easy to get hold of, less harmful to the environment, sort of stuff. That's what they're sort of claiming. And for what I remember reading, the two main notes in this are vanilla and lavender. So we've all sort of heard that combination before in many of older fragrances and new. So yeah, okay. So doesn't come cellophaned. So that's probably something that they're looking at doing now. I'm going to read down here. So first one is keep it and refill it. So obviously it's a refillable bottle, comprised of 25% recycled glass. So 25% of the bottle is would have been recycled to make the bottle. Composed of 55% recycled cardboard. So packaging, of course. Let's have a look. And vanilla infusion and Diva lavender heart, sustainability sourced. Who knows? So it's basically doing down this route of environmental friendly and all this kind of stuff. It does show you when you open up how to refill. You basically just take off the atomizer, you get your refill, and just sort of just spray it in. And that's about it. You know, nothing overly complicated. So here is the bottle. What a funky looking design. I mean, it looks like, you know, it just fits sort of in the hand. You know what I mean? It's like it was the glass was still sort of, what you call it, well, you wouldn't be able to hold it because you'd be red hot, but if the glass was still soft and you sort of, it was perfectly square and you got that and squeezed it, that's what it sort of looks like has happened to the bottle. Let's have a look, see what we can do. Plastic cap, we've got logo on it. Let's have a look. Got Diesel and the atomizer. Let's have a look, see if it does. There we go. So let's have a spray and see what it gives. I'm not expecting a lot. I mean, it says just for the most part vanilla and lavender. So I mean, there's a lot of older fragrances that have that combination, and you know they've done well. So there we go. So first initial spray, back of the hand, and then okay. So what I'll say straight off is nice fresh lavender, but it's sweet. It's got a sweetness as you would expect a modern fragrance that comes out this day and age. It's got a sweetness. Okay, so it reminds me a bit of some of the diesels, like Diesel Sound of the Brave. It's got like a sweetness, the freshness with it. Definitely a lavender freshness with sweetness. Not overly sweet. Yeah, it doesn't smell overly cheap, but it doesn't smell expensive either. Sort of you sort of run of the mill designer. Yeah, excuse me, I'm on all sorts of painkillers and stuff. Yeah, it smells like it'd be about average. Performance, projection seems to be okay. Smell it quite well. I mean, is it something that you've smelled before? Well, yeah. There's other fragrances out there that combine a lavender and vanilla. But it's nice. It's fresh, but with a modern sweetness, but not overly sweet. There is a hint of a vanilla, but it's not like a ice creamy vanilla. It's more like it's like a backing note, more smoothing the vanilla, the lavender out. The lavender, I would say, is the main player here. So it's sort of semi-sweet lavender, a little bit of vanilla backing it up, but it's not an ice creamy vanilla or anything like that. I wouldn't say, there's a hint of like I wouldn't say bitterness, but something a little sharper. Yeah, you know, it's okay. It'd be a good, safe office scent. And I'm going to wear this throughout the day, so it's going to be my scent of the day. So, a couple there, like a boss. So that's going to be my scent of the day, and we'll see how we get on. Straight away, yeah, nothing special. But if you want a nice work scent, something clean, when I say clean, there is something in here now it's drying down. I say mainly the lavender, hint of sweetness, little bit of vanilla, but it's more of a, it's not a creamy vanilla at all. More matching the sort of fresh vanilla like the lavender is, but there's a hint of something, I don't want to say bitter, but it's something a little sharper in here. And definitely would suit sort of an office environment and that sort of thing. I can see where they're going with this. Sustainable materials, with juice as well, not just the bottle. Is it going to wow anybody that's been in a fragrance world and experiencing fragrances? Not really. If you like niche fragrances and high quality ingredients, you're probably not going to like it as much. But for an average everyday person who just wants to smell good, smell clean, modern, fresh, so again something good for work, you're working in an office or something like that, or just want to smell generally nice, maybe this will be a good sort of dumb reach. Yeah, I mean, you're going to smell good, but you're not going to smell anything overly unique. I just got a hint of orange there. Maybe. Yeah, something along in here. To my nose, gives me a sort of orange, a sort of mandarin note. Way in the background. But there's something maybe there's a, now it's drawing down, there's a hint of like a neroli or like an orange blossom or something along that line. Maybe mixed in with the overall composition. There's something like that in here. So as it's drying down, it's getting a little less sweet. And again, a little bit more of like a, say even a neroli or orange blossom or something's mixed in here, and it's starting to come up a bit more. after the initial lavender blast, which is still the main note. So the vanilla, maybe it will on the dry down come through, but I think using vanilla here as a backbone to keep the lavender and the other things more prevalent in the front, sort of like a base, you know, to help with the other things. So, excuse me, overall I think it's actually pretty decent. It's nothing crazy, it's nothing that a niche head's going to enjoy. Even it's like a higher end designer, not really. You know, if you've been in the game a long time, you've probably smelt something similar before. And it is slightly modernised with a hint of sweetness, but the sweetness is dying down already, so it's more on the top with the sweetness, but yeah, it's drying down. There's almost just a hint of sweetness left now, so yeah, not bad. So that's my quick unboxing and first impressions of Diesel D. So, for successful living, it's got on Diesel for successful living. Yeah, this is a 50ml by the way. So that's it, thanks for watching. See you again soon hopefully. Just this one is really out of the blue. I haven't bought myself anything for a little while, so I thought, you know what, I didn't see anybody reviewing it or unboxing it or anything, so this might be a first video, you know, who knows. So let me know if you have tried it, if you got it, do you like it, do you not like it, in the comments below. I'll answer you if I can. So thank you for watching, do appreciate it as always, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again soon on the next video.